You're sitting at your desk, staring at the books. Nothing's clicking. Nothing's moving. You know the exams are near, but your brain? Still on vacation. It's not that you're lazy. You're just stuck. Trust me. There are no lazy people, only people who haven't been motivated the right way yet. Don't worry, because my friend John, he was exactly like you. He couldn't focus. He hated studying until he did 3 small things, simple but life-changing. Let's break them down. He turned his desk into a mirror. Sounds weird, right? But let me explain. Look at your desk right now. Is it a battlefield? Books mixed with snacks, crumpled notes, empty water bottles. Now imagine this. 2 pictures. One desk is full of mess. The other one? Clean, focused. Just a notebook, pen, and a lamp. Which one makes you feel ready to study? Exactly. The second one. Because your desk is a mirror of your mind. Even the universe is organized. Your brain, billions of neurons, are organized. So why fight that design? John cleaned his desk. 1 notebook, 1 pen, 1 goal, and guess what? His brain started cooperating. Because chaos outside creates chaos inside. He drank like a champion. Water, in a recent experiment, 2 groups of students took the same test. Group A drank water regularly for a week. Group B, they drank, whatever, whenever. After the test, brain scans showed something shocking. Group B's brains were working harder, but scoring lower. Group A, more relaxed, more focused. Why? Because when you're dehydrated, toxins build up, and your brain gets foggy. John? He started keeping a glass of water next to his books. Simple. But now, his brain was finally getting what it needed. Want numbers? Experts say men need about 15 cups of water a day, women around 11. Most people barely drink half of that. So next time you study, bring your best soldier, water, tree. He spoke kindly. To himself. Sounds cheesy, maybe. But listen, you have 2 brains. The conscious one you use to think, and the subconscious one that controls your habits, your beliefs, your life. John used to say things like, I'm not smart, I can't focus, I hate studying. And guess what? His subconscious believed it. But then he flipped the script. He started saying things like, I'm improving. I can do this. I deserve to succeed. Did it sound fake at first? Sure. But over time, his brain believed it. And when your brain believes, you start becoming. Because success doesn't start with books. It starts with belief. Let's recap John's 3 small wins. He cleaned his desk and cleaned his mind. He drank water, like his brain depended on it, because it does. He spoke kindly to himself, so his subconscious could work with him, not against him. These aren't hacks, they're habits, and if John could do them, so can you. So here's your challenge. Try these 3 things today, just today, and see what changes. Let me know in the comments. Which one are you going to start with? Stay strong. You've got this. See you in the next video.